You're only just a dreamboat sailing in my head. You swim my secret oceans of coral blue and red. You smell as incense burning. Your touch is silken yet it reaches through my skin and moving from within. It clutches at my breast, but it's only when I sleep. See.
Kami na lang ang walang kuryente.
Buti sa iyong kesame. La 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 la, ang sarap namang manilip ng kumakain. Tataihan ko ang iyong pagkain. Bastos na kong tawagin, pero masarap gawin.
Ganun pala ang feeling pagka kapitbahay mo may kuryente na kayo lang wala.
Wala pa nga kuryente. Kami nga lang ang wala. Hindi mo mamaalam ang feeling kasi at least dito lahat ay nasa dilim. Abay doon, tuwing sisilip ko, abay bukas ang kanilang mga ilaw, nagliliwanag ang bahay. Bukas ang radyo, bukas ang TV.
Dito sa atin, mama, kami na lang ang record holder. Kayo ay may kuryente na. But Tuesday, kayo may kuryente na. Kami, wala pa rin. Nakailang punta na kami sa Meralco, nakailang kausap na.
Ano sabi mo?
Aba, talagang...
Nagbibigla po ay pag po yung bahay namin ay talagang kami.
Abay, anong gagawin?
Wawa naman kami.
There's nobody to cook except moi.
On dotting the I's and crossing the T's, guys, I need a clear communication line to bridge the remaining area where there seems to be a traffic, if not an impassable road in terms of two-way information exchanges. Konti na lang ang mga areas na to, but still we have to deal with it. This is my latest communication to my father when he called me up just last week. Kasi nga some words are needed to be said over the phone, in person, or in written form, if laden with details.
Kasi hindi daw ang pasok daw ang pasok ko daw ay December. Ang gusto daw nila is January. Pero kung ano man, sure na.
At this early, I'm saying my work is not, I repeat, not going to be political.
Sino yun, May? So, wala pang tawag from Ate JM's contact?
My source of income will not be from any government-appointed position in whatever capacity. I'm not going to work for a politician, and I'm not for hire as a publicist or spokesperson or consultant. I won't be a JO, and I'm not signing any appointment paper where I'll be a constant absent employee, because my line of work and my area of competency is to mirror and express human emotions through my craft. We can be passionately happy with a lot of things, right? Pity is the person who can be happy only with just one thing on this earth.
May, gusto mo ba ng fish?
Hindi sa akin.
Dilis sa'yo? Mas gusto mo pa yung tuyong dilis?
Oo.
Ay, naku. Gusto ko na rin...
Nakakahiya naman kay Linlin kasi kanina nagmamadali siya. Lagi siya nagmamadali. Maglilinis pa daw siya dun sa kabila. Maraming rice. Sasangag ko pa. Kaya lang, this is yesterday's rice pa. My friends, what's the chances that in the next 12 months, make that 13 because there's 1 month left in 2014, what's the chances that I'll be meeting someone, new or old, babae man or lalaki, tomboy or bakla, fall so stupidly and insanely in love by throwing away every gain na pinaghirapan kong bunuin. At sa tulong ninyo, I was allowed to progress, busisiin day after day, week after week, year after year, toiling over my craft for endless hours, amidst all kinds of criticisms. So it's 24 hours and I have to divide it between the housework and my job. Actually, it's not yet a job, but it's going to be. I'm very optimistic. Save some light for me. Figures upward, moving in the trees. White skin in the linen, perfume on my wrist, and the full moon that hangs over these dreams in the mist. Tapos at the last, may I hamak lahat because my heart will sing of love. You know, that's not all. What's the percentage in betting na one of these days I will make a mockery of every article I've written and renege on every agreement I promised, and in doing so, bring to us the same disgust show to those sowing confusion in our midst, the same distrust, mistrust on conflicting statements, lawsuits, because that will make me so happy, emotionally high. He's at the lock and tattered, could it be spring or fall? I walk without a cut through a stained glass wall, weaker in my eyesight, can't learn my grip, than words that have no form falling from my lips. Come to think of it, nag-visit na ako sa mga pinanggalingan ko, nag-adventure ako on my own, nagpaka-available na ako for any issues and concerns, inilahad ko na sa kanila na maayos, mapayapa, at totoo ang kaya kong gawin, ginawa ko, at ang gagawin pa. Kaya't kung may pagtutol, nandito po ako, at inihahanda ang aking sarili.